All right. So also, many drones are missing things that DJI has been putting in for a long time, which is obstacle avoidance sensors and things like that. Is there anything to this that is different than airframes from in the past as far as obstacle avoidance and collision avoidance sensors?
Sure, it's the great question. It's the next version of our obstacle avoidance. It's also the next version of APAS, where it's going to be able to make smart decisions, whether it's trying to return home in a really hard environment. We do have a couple different types of sensors around the drone. So we have vision sensors to be able to help out with obstacle avoidance. We also have radar sensors. So if you're trying to fly at night and you need obstacle avoidance, at least some, or in low lit environments, which happens pretty often, you're going to be able to rely on those sensors as well. And then you can see a little bit of stats about data security, but as far as obstacle avoidance goes, it has sensors all 6 directions of this drone to be able to avoid obstacles for you.